Today I will talk about how can you enable email notifications on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on email notifications, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to receive emails, just click on it. Like you see here, notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.